Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this SKG W9 Ultra back massager TENS device, red light therapy. So it has a lot of built-in features. As you can see, there's very nice packaging. It also has like the sleeve on top. This is what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. There's a quick user guide as well as a complete user manual in here. We can put that to the side. There's a QR code for the app that you're going to need. There's an app that allows you to have a better control of the device, so you can change all the settings without having to reach to your controls using your phone. So you can download that app called FutureWear. I'm going to show you how to connect the belt to the app as well. Let's put that to the side for now. All right, so this is the belt. There is a belt extender in case you need it. This is the charging cable. Very nice packaging. And there's a remote controller included as well in case you don't want to use the app. So everything's included here. So this is the belt. On the reverse side is where all the magic happens. You have the electrodes for the TENS device. So it does say please use wet towel to wipe, so that you can go ahead and take these protective stickers off. When you first attach it to your body, you want to use a wet towel to kind of wipe off those electrodes to allow some moisture for the electricity to conduct to your skin and allow that TENS device to work. And it also makes the massage process much gentler if there's some moisture there, and you can moisten your skin as well. It has the instructions kind of built in here. So it says after powering on, wait for the electrodes to warm up before wearing. So you just press and hold this power button for a few seconds and it turns on, and then it's gonna warm up these electrodes. The product needs to be used in direct contact with the skin, and when the skin is dry, please moisturize the skin before using. You can see the massager is working right away. This you can reduce and increase the pulse intensity before you put it on by this plus and minus button, but you can also use the remote. You can tear this off before use for the red light therapy to work. On the bottom here, there's a USB-C charging, so you're not connected to a wire all the time. So you want to charge. You're going to use the wet towel to kind of moisten the skin. The electrodes are going to touch. So you're going to make sure it's touching your skin. That's how the massager, as well as the red light therapy, as well as the TENS device works. So the EMS and TENS device need contact with the skin, so it should be directly onto the skin. Once you have it connected, you can reach from the back and press the button to turn it on as well. I can feel that the electrodes are nice and warm now. On the app, you're going to log in by your email. You're going to add device, and then you can see it pop right up. And then you just have to kind of agree to the terms, and you can see the controls are all on. So it says massage duration. It's starting off at 20 minutes, and it's at 19, and it's counting down. So they don't recommend doing it more than 19 minutes at a time. I can feel the electric stimulation of the muscles, kind of little spasms. It feels really good. It strengthens your muscles actually by activating them. So you can say, you can change the type of massage. You can say kneading, you can say manipulation, you can say beating, and you can feel the difference very easily. It's actually fairly strong. If you want it stronger, you can always tighten it. You can change the pulse intensity for the EMS. You can even turn off the vibration. If you just want the EMS, you can turn that on. So I'm going to go all the way to max to see how it feels, just to test it out. It's pretty intense on the max. It does feel nice though. I think probably somewhere in the middle might be the best. And when you change it, it actually vibrates to let you know that the change took effect. You can go to a low vibration setting. You can just say relief. As far as the hot, you can also turn off the heat therapy. So you can turn off the heat or low, medium, and high. So you see there's a lot of settings built into the app. You can also use the controller to change the different settings, but it's much easier to pick all the included settings in here, and then different types. As you change these things, you can see how like the intensity and things like that change as well. You can click on more techniques, and there's a lot more different techniques that you can download. and whatever, and try all of these ones out and see which ones you prefer. So in the recommended, let's try the beating and activation, so that activates your muscles. Okay, so it's sent it to the device and it's going to try that one. Here we go. We're going to click on that. So it does different combinations of pulse and massage to get the desired effect. The thing is, it's so slim. As you can see, you can easily have this on, especially if the massage feature on, you're not even going to hear it. And you can see, you can easily hide it under your clothes. You can wear it around while you're doing your daily activities, and it's going to quietly do its thing. So let's go ahead and turn off the vibration, which is the most noisy part of the belt. The EMS, the heat therapy, the red light therapy, they don't create any noise. So let's go ahead and get that pulse intensity to 5. If you want the massage stronger, you can always make it tighter. If you are of a larger body habitus, you can always use the belt extender. So you can see the belt extender increases the length of it probably by about, you can see there's a back part of it, probably by about 8 inches. So you can use this extender to extend the waist as well. According to the user manual, they say use it no more than 2 times a day for up to 40 minutes max total throughout the day, and use it for 4 to 6 days in a row. When you first start using it, gradually increase the intensity of the pulse, the heat, the vibration intensity. All of those things you can kind of gradually increase it until you find what you tolerate. I wouldn't recommend going all the way to 9 on the pulse intensity, because I'm at a 5 and it's still pretty intense. So you want to start at 1 or 2 and then go up. If you feel like the pulse intensity is very weak, it could be that you need to re-moisten your skin. The included USB-C is this nice green color as well. Seems like it goes with the brand's coloring. The remote control has buttons for mode, the EMS to turn on and off, the heat to turn it on and off, as well as the intensity for each of them. To open the battery compartment, you slide this slider down and then pull this up, and you should be able to open up the battery compartment. The app also shows you the battery charge status up here. So this is quite a large battery. It's 3,500 milliamps. So it should last you many, many days of use, but depending on the intensity, if you're using high intensity vibration, high intensity EMS, as well as high heat, obviously it's going to last shorter, but you should probably have to charge it but once a week, depending on how you use it. You can see when it's going on, it's kind of telling you what's going on, how many minutes left in the 20-minute session. And so far you can see I've been using it for this 9 minutes while I'm making this video, and it's still pretty comfortable. It definitely, I can feel that it's strengthening my back muscles because it's stimulating the muscles. And by the end of the massage, you should feel a little sore because you did use those muscles that whole time. Of course, over time, that strengthens the muscles and you should be able to tolerate it more. But this is what the belt looks like when you have it on. You can see it's quite slim. You can easily conceal it under clothes. And I'm really happy with how well this product works. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.